have anything between 5% to 10% of impact on the overall revenue.
Ya ka workshop ka Sngi Halor ka Jingkyntiew ki Jingwad Bniah ya ki marpo Khyndew la penlong the Directorate of Mineral Resources ka Sarkar Jilla State Convention Center Shillong. Habakran hakani ka program Menteri Rangba ka Jilla konrat ke sangmau la batai japang ka jingkhang ya ka Jingkyntiew do yong hausnam 8,000 khat saw. Bat kedau ba kumno ka ni lakta ka kamai ka ji jengki spa bat ki 1,000 teli kilong gieng ha ka Jilla. Usang mau lapan pa ba wat lada ka jing sumaria kamariang kalong ka bedon kam ka jing khang klem kanu ka jing pen kala ka kata ajur ya ka yo ka kwat jong ka Jilla bat kinong shong shnong jong ka ula pelat ru i geological bat ka mineral map jong ka Jilla bat ka mineral management and development portal.
There was a immediate ban, so you can imagine when 2 lakh 3 lakh families that depend on minings like this are suddenly told that you can't do it. It's a huge economic impact for the state and the people. Whether it's right or wrong is not the question I'm trying to answer. All I'm saying is that can we simply just snatch away the livelihood of the people without giving them, as we call it, just transition? We also need to ensure that with the use of technology and correct methods, we should ensure that we minimize the impact on the ecology.